I am completely blown away by this gazebo. We are just wowed by how beautiful this fake wood coating is. It looks gorgeous. It looks so expensive. There's rain gutters, so the water doesn't get trapped on the roof. The bolts were really easy to put into our floor. And this mosquito netting is awesome. It's pretty thick material. The zippers are really sturdy on it, which was something that I was concerned about. They have the double zippers, so you can zip from the inside or the outside. And the netting goes all the way around the gazebo. So you are fully protected. Not only does it go all the way around, but there's actually mosquito netting all the way up to the top of the gazebo. So even though there's venting, you're still protected from those bugs getting at you. I just am absolutely in love with this gazebo. I think it's so beautiful. It really updated our yard. And we bought a fan separately that I think goes perfectly in here. Something I like about this gazebo too is that there's 3 hooks. I noticed in a lot of the ones that I was comparing this with, it only had 1 hook, and you know, in the middle of summer, you need as many hooks as possible. So it's like cup holders in your car, right? The more the better. So I am really enjoying figuring out what we're going to use those for. The netting is really easy as well. You can just slide it. You can slide it. Let me get to where you can see. They just slide right along these brackets, and they slide all the way open, and you can collect them right on these and holder thingies. But it's really spacious in here. We've already had dinner out here multiple nights, and yeah, I can't say enough. It's perfect. Exactly what we needed. And it's really pretty. You should definitely stop hesitating and push by.